Okay, let's talk about one of the major or principal reason why Money Robo is so good. Because when you are working with campaigns and with the diagrams, okay, you are working on the tier technique, okay, the multi-tier SEO technique. Okay, this is the name. I'm so sorry. Okay, what's that mean? You are going to create this layer, okay, and going to any money site you are working with, and then you're going to create another layer to power up your tier one, and then take um, the other one is gonna be tier two. This is gonna be tier one, tier two, tier three, and the final one. But all those are gonna depend on which diagram are you using. This is one of my favorites, but anything you are using right now, we are having a really good new diagrams. Are gonna put on the description area, but this is the multi-tier SEO technique. You can look for it in any place in the internet, and it's gonna show you how to do it and how and why it's so important to do it like this. That's why it's so important to reuse your accounts. I have a video explaining how to reuse your account, your categories. I will put it also on the Christian area, but this is exactly what it means and how it's so important to create campaigns. It's not going directly to create just a single task. You can do that also, but because all this is gonna be automatic, if you do it creating one single task, you're gonna need to do then a single task to that task, and so on. Please let me know if you have any question. Until the next one.